Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on any laptop without pressing the power button. Yeah, you can do that. It's a very easy process. This can be very helpful if your power button is damaged and you're not able to turn on your laptop. So yeah, there are multiple ways you can turn on your laptop without pressing the power button. You can use your power cable to turn on your laptop. You can set a particular time to open your laptop automatically. And you can also use your LAN cable to turn on your laptop. It totally depends on your laptop and how many features it has. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Basically, this setting is available in your BIOS, so you need to enter your BIOS settings. I will show you some shortcut keys that you can press to enter your BIOS. So this is my Dell laptop and I'm pressing the F2 key to boot into BIOS. Okay, so now we have this BIOS setting here. Basically, you need to go into the power management section and you will see lots of options like AC behavior, auto on time, USB wake support, and wake on LAN. These are the features available on my laptop. Whenever you check this AC behavior option, you can see I checked power on AC. You can see the message here saying this option allows the system to power on automatically whenever you connect your power supply. I like this feature because I don't want to press my power button. When I turn on the power, my laptop should automatically open. So this is a great feature and you should know about it. Okay, after checking this box, click on Apply, and after that, just shut down your system and connect your power cable. So I'm not going to press the power button. I'm going to use my power cable to turn on this laptop. Now, you can see I'm plugging in my power cable here, and you can see my laptop just turned on automatically. Okay, so this is a great feature you should know about, and maybe it can help you in the future. Let me know if it is helpful for you or not. So, that's how you can turn on any laptop without pressing the power button. You can also see the auto on time option where you can set a particular day and time. You can also see wake on LAN, which is a great feature. As you can see here, it is disabled, so you can toggle this on like LAN only. Whenever you connect your internet cable, it is going to turn on your laptop automatically. Okay, so these two features are working perfectly. Now you can see my laptop is turned off. I'm touching my touchpad, and nothing is working here. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, so just hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to this channel.